Rick from Spring has mysterious leakage.
It's not like that. He's getting efflorescence and moisture. It's coming up through the ground.
Oh, because the male beta prostate works really well for me.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It's just a pill.
Let's go to the slide. Okay, so here's what he sent a picture here of where he's getting the moisture and the efflorescence in the between there. I love that efflorescence. It's one of those $50.
Mm-hmm.
It's like when I do the readings at church and I get to read from Thessalonians. It's big, long, like Corinthian leather.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, you know what Corinthian leather was, right?
Vinyl.
Yeah, they just came up with a name for it to
now
sell.
It's plethora. Same thing.
Pleather, yeah.
Pleather.
Okay, there's a plethora of pleather out there.
Yes.
All right, how about an answer to this question? He says our house flooded during Harvey. He says
Okay.
so the floor is about a year old. I don't believe they used a moisture barrier before I put my tile down. And sometimes there are small puddles of water in the grout lines. And a leak detection company came out, he says, and found no plumbing leaks.
Okay.
He says I added gutters to prevent water building up and checked all my sprinklers. Still has the problems. So Tom, Rick wonders if a French drain around the perimeter of his house might solve the problem. What say you?
A lot of people are finding out right now they have drainage issues. There's
bet.
just no doubt about it. I'm putting new drains in my backyard just this week, adding to it. Harvey really made a lot of difference with the settlement of the soils and all the rain we've had. Not just Harvey, but this whole year with all the rain we've had too on top of it. It hasn't let up. And so there's a lot of compaction and a lot of soil problems. So, yes, I suspect it's if you checked your plumbing, which would have been my first thing.
Sure, did
that. Sprinkler systems, of course, any kind of water leaks you might have, check that. But right now it's drainage, and people are having to put systems in, and I would really look into that. And, of course, Tom at Family Landscapes would be the person to call.
Yeah, Tom is a whiz at irrigation. He knows what he's doing with a licensed irrigator, and he'll take care of you. So, and that's the thing. Folks will show up at your house to do irrigation, and they may not be licensed, or they may not be completely spun up. Thomas has done all kinds of projects, all kinds of sizes and issues, and he's like that farmer's guy. He's irrigated it all because he's seen it all, or something like that.
Okay, fine.
All right. Well, not all of it. Not the mysterious leakage of the other kind. But anyway, but he'll help you out, and we'll help you out too. You got a question, send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. We'll send you an answer just like these ones over here. Ooh, look at this one. Watch that video.
Ding.